Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at 7 new cruiser and touring bikes by Harley-Davidson family for 2023. Number 7. Harley-Davidson Nightster. The Harley-Davidson Nightster is a motorcycle that's redefining the Sportster experience for a new generation of riders. Designed to inspire both new and experienced riders alike, the Nightster offers a nimble handling and confidence-inspiring ride that's unlike any other motorcycle out there. At the heart of this beast is the Revolution Max 975 engine, which packs a punch with 90 horsepower and 70 pound-feet of torque. The liquid-cooled V-twin engine is tuned to make tremendous torque at low RPM, providing riders with strong acceleration from the start and robust power through the mid-range. It's a middleweight street cruiser that's light, sporty, and easy to ride, making it perfect for riders who want a motorcycle that's both cool and practical. But what really sets the Nightster apart from the pack is its 3 electronic ride modes: Sport Mode, Road Mode, and Rain Mode. Sport Mode offers full power delivery with quicker throttle response, increased engine braking, and traction control. Road Mode provides balanced performance for city streets or winding roads, while Rain Mode provides confident control in wet conditions with reduced power delivery and gentler throttle response. So if you're looking for a motorcycle that offers nimble handling and a confidence-inspiring ride while being light, sporty, and easy to ride, then the Harley-Davidson Nightster might be worth considering. Number 6. Harley-Davidson Fat Boy 114. The Harley-Davidson Fat Boy 114 is not just any motorcycle. It's a true icon that has been turning heads for over 3 decades. The bike's bold and muscular design is a combination of solid-disc Lakester wheels, which are wrapped in the widest front tire, and a low-slung seat height that exudes power and strength. But it's not just about the looks. The Fat Boy 114 is a true powerhouse on the road. The Milwaukee 8-114 engine delivers loads of torque for on-demand power you can feel with each twist, and the familiar HD sound that sends shivers down any enthusiast's spine. The bike's quality and reliability have improved significantly. The rear suspension system is hidden under the seat, giving it a neat and clean look. Overall, the Fat Boy 114 is perfect for those who want to ride in style while enjoying loads of torque and power. Number 5. Harley-Davidson Sportster S. The Harley-Davidson Sportster S is more than just a motorcycle. It's a machine designed to leave riders breathless and eager for more. With its sleek, aggressive styling and powerful engine, this bike is not for the faint of heart. The Sportster S offers the perfect balance of sport bike agility and Harley-Davidson power, making it a one-of-a-kind motorcycle that delivers the ultimate riding experience. This high-tech Sportster is equipped with a state-of-the-art 4-inch touchscreen display, allowing riders to easily access various features such as navigation, music, and more. Despite its sporty design, the Sportster S offers exceptional comfort and stability. Its design promotes stability while weaving in and out of turns, making it easier to handle at high speeds. The Sportster S has been described as a bike that makes everyday riding a blast. With its impressive features and stunning design, the Sportster S is the ultimate machine for riders who demand the best. Number 4. Harley-Davidson Lowrider S. The Harley-Davidson Lowrider S is not your average motorcycle. This blacked-out factory custom performance cruiser is designed to make a statement and turn heads. With a classic look and modern power, this bike is perfect for riders who want to ride on the dark side. The Lowrider S is part of the Softail family and comes equipped with a Milwaukee 8-114 engine and moto-style drag bars. This powerful engine produces a muscular 1870 keys and provides an exhilarating ride. The design of the Lowrider S is a standout feature. The high handlebar and FXRT-inspired fairing give the rider a commanding position, while the saddlebags ride high and tight. The rear suspension is jacked up, giving the bike an aggressive stance. But perhaps the most intriguing aspect of the Lowrider S is what it says about the rider. The design is a statement that tells other Harley owners what kind of rider you are. It's a bike that means business, and those in the know will recognize it. Overall, the Harley-Davidson Lowrider S is a unique motorcycle that blends style and performance in a way that few bikes can match. Number 3. Harley-Davidson Street Glide Special. The Harley-Davidson Street Glide Special isn't just a motorcycle, it's an experience. With its powerful engine, stylish design, and top-of-the-line features, this bike is sure to turn heads wherever you go. What sets the Street Glide Special apart from other motorcycles is its innovative Harley-Davidson touring chassis. This bike is built for long-distance touring, with a single-spar rigid backbone frame and a stout swing arm that can handle the demands of the open road. The color-matched fairing skirt is another detail that adds a touch of Harley-Davidson's iconic style to this bike. Harley-Davidson motorcycles have a rich history with American culture and veterans, and the Street Glide Special is no exception. These bikes were often used by American troops in combat in the 20th century, and they have become a symbol of freedom and adventure for many veterans who have returned home after serving their country overseas. Riding a Harley-Davidson motorcycle is not just about rebellion, it's about camaraderie and the sense of belonging to a community of riders. Whether you're cruising down Route 66 or exploring new roads, the Harley-Davidson Street Glide Special will take you there in style. Number 2. Harley-Davidson Breakout 117. The Harley-Davidson Breakout 117 is not just any motorcycle, it's a masterpiece of design and engineering that screams power and style. With its sleek lines, raked-out frame, and 26-spoke black cast aluminum wheels, this cruiser has an aggressive and bold look that demands attention from every angle. Under the hood, the Breakout 117 is powered by an unrelenting Milwaukee 8117 engine that delivers an impressive amount of power and torque. This larger engine has the same 1,920 kV displacement as other Harley-Davidson models, but it has been upgraded to deliver an even more thrilling riding experience. One of the most notable features of the Breakout 117 is its extended riding range, which is made possible by its upgraded 5-gallon fuel tank. This means riders can spend more time on the road, enjoying the thrill of the ride without worrying about stopping for fuel. The bike's low-profile seat and stretched-out design make it ideal for long rides, ensuring that you'll arrive at your destination feeling fresh and ready for more. The Breakout 117 has been absent from Harley-Davidson's lineup for a couple of years, but it's set to make a triumphant return with its upgraded Milwaukee 8117 engine. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the world of motorcycles, the Breakout 117 is sure to impress. Number 1. Harley-Davidson Pan America. Harley-Davidson has made a bold move by entering the adventure touring market with the Pan America motorcycle. It's a two-wheel multi-tool that can endure rough terrains, explore uncharted territories, and take on any adventure with ease. The Pan America is different from any other Harley-Davidson bike before it, as it offers the spirit of the brand while being a new generation of rugged Harleys. The Pan America boasts the Revolution Max powertrain that offers a flexible power band and 150 horsepower. You can select from 5 pre-programmed ride modes or create your own custom mode that suits your riding style. One of Harley-Davidson's killer hook features in the Pan America is its adaptive ride height. It's designed to solve one of the most significant issues with traditional adventure bikes, as they're often tall and heavily loaded, making them tippy when stopping. The adaptive ride height automatically lowers the suspension when you come to a stop so that you can put both feet on the ground, and when you start moving again, it raises back up to normal ride height. This feature is a game changer, especially for shorter riders. The Pan America has received positive reviews from riders who've tested it out, with one reviewer calling it a locomotive of a bike. Overall, the Pan America is an intriguing addition to the adventure touring market, and it's bound to turn heads and inspire riders to push the limits of what's possible on two wheels. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.